You can see now we are starting to get some drywall up on these studs that we've just placed, which means that we are getting closer and closer to being able to finish this room off with paint and floors, etc., etc. And you'll notice that I've got this drywall laid horizontally. If you remember from my previous video, I put these double top plates in, and 8 foot would bring you to the bottom of the double top plate, and then you'd be able to finish it off with another set of drywall and be able to nail into the top plate. But I've got this one laid horizontally, and the reason you want to do it horizontally is just to make it easier on your back and legs. And what I mean by that is there's only going to be one seam. Once I put the second piece of drywall on top, there's only going to be one seam right down the middle, which is going to be much easier to work with your joint compound and your knife, instead of having a seam vertical where you have to go up and down a ladder to be able to get all the joint compound. So it's going to be nice and easy, and you want to do that all the way around. So I'll be able to stand up, even when we get to this wall here, I'll be able to stand up and just put the joint compound all the way down to the end, instead of going up seam by seam by seam. And that's what we want to try to accomplish, and that's what we're going to do on this piece here. So we'll screw this side in, do the other side, and then we'll go up the wall to the top. It's another 4 feet to that, up there, and then we'll do the same on the other side, and then the same on that wall and the ceilings, etc., etc. So with that, we'll give you an update here shortly on how we are progressing throughout the day, and we'll go from there. Until next time. So we're in the closet here. Let me take a look here. There's the walls we're just putting up, and this wall is going to come down here eventually. We've got everything cleared out of the closet already, as you can see, and we've got a target up hit here for demolition, and Becky's going to take her best shot at it.
Ready?
Go. Boom!
Oh, look at that, bullseye.
Bullseye. And there you have it. So we're going to start ripping out this wall. We're going to get this carpet out and the rest of these shelves, and then move forward. All right, we're continuing with some demo here that's going to become the hallway. As you can see, the closet that was there is now completely gone. The wife is doing a good job demoing out this wall here, but check this out. 32 inches, WTF, uh-oh. Well, from the center of this stud to here is 32 inches. The most you can have on an interior wall is 24 inches to the center. So that doesn't meet code, obviously. And what we are thinking when we are now taking this out is that this closet was probably an afterthought to give this room more closet space. So it doesn't really matter at this point because that wall is coming out. And then we're going to build this one out this way, and then make a nice size 26-inch closet or so that's going to be against this wall here. So this will become the hallway again, and we'll patch this up and finish it right, and then we'll keep going. So until then, next time. We are continuing with our drywall construction here, and the demo that you can see way in the background. I'll get to that in a second. But we've got drywall on the front of this now, as you can see. It's looking really good. We're not going to get to the door today, but we'll get that in the near future here. And then if we go in here into the closet, it's a little dark, but we'll take care of that too. We got drywall on the side. It's not up on the top yet, and we don't have any over here yet, so we're going to fill that in here shortly also. We spent a little bit of time demoing what's going to be the hallway out, so we did a good job there. But check this out. I got the hallway / closet carpet out of here, and look at the edge of this carpet. It is nasty. And that, my friends, is the reason why I hate carpet. And we are putting in hardwood floors. So next thing to do here is to get this underlayment up, padding. And then I got to take the nail strips out here, which are all along the edge. But those will come up pretty easy. And then we'll continue demoing this wall. And you can see here, they've got these studs in here. We'll take all those out and start to finish this wall. So daughter number one's still going to have a room to sleep in. We moved all our stuff over there, but it's coming along pretty nice. And we're going to continue the journey on here. So until next time, folks, we'll talk to you then, or listen to you then, or see you then.